How to install Sonance MAGO6V3 Outdoor speakers. Installing your Sonance MAGO6V3 Outdoor speakers is simple. Follow these steps for a secure setup and optimal sound. Step 1. Unbox and prepare. In the box, you'll find 2 speakers, mounting brackets, wire terminal covers, speaker grills, and the Sonos Amp. Make sure you have everything before you begin. Step 2. Choose a mounting location. Place your speakers at ear level for best sound. You can mount them under eaves, on walls, in corners, or on poles. Step 3. Install the mounting brackets. Attach the fast mount brackets to your chosen surface using the provided hardware. Step 4. Run and connect the speaker wires. Run the speaker wire from your amplifier to the bracket. Feed it through the wire entry grommet on the speaker, ensuring enough slack for adjustments. Step 5. Attach the speakers to the brackets. Slide the speaker onto the bracket until it clicks into place. Rotate the speaker to your desired angle. The locks will secure the speaker to the mount. Strip about ½ inch of insulation from each wire. Press down on the spring connectors, insert the wires, and release. Match the positive and negative terminals correctly. Red wire to the positive terminal, black wire to the negative terminal. Ensuring the correct polarity prevents sound distortion and maintains audio quality. Fit the wiring connector cover into place, then attach the speaker grill for a finished look. Repeat the same steps for the next speaker. Step 6. Connect the Sonos amplifier. Keep the Sonos amplifier in a cool, dry place like an electronics cabinet. Next, connect the red and black wires to the terminals. Then plug them into the back of the Sonos amp. Plug in the amplifier cable and power on your Sonos amp and play some audio. Make sure both speakers are working properly and adjust angles if needed. Your Sonance MAGO6V3 speakers are now installed and ready to deliver great outdoor sound. Enjoy! To learn more, refer to the owner's manual or visit sonance.com.